So, okay. So, nandito kami sa Sofitel Ponte 16 Macau. And this is our room. Okay. Binigyan niya kami ng ocean view. Okay, so kompleto dito. Malaki yung room. Mga ilang square meters sa tingin mo ito, Mami? 22 lang to. I think this is bigger. So this is a king bed. Okay, and then you have a beautiful painting here of Macau. And then parang meron kang ano rito, lounge sofa. And then ang maganda rito is the view. Ocean view.
Grabe. Tsaka yung swimming pool.
Okay, this is ocean view. And from here, you can already see China. That is Zhuhai, China. So, nakita mo na yung China. Yan, China yan. And then, pag sinilip mo sa baba, you can see the pool view. Okay, of Sofitel Macau Ponte 16. This is an iconic hotel here in Macau. Okay.
Anong time na, Daddy?
And then, meron kang working desk, if you like. And then, you have a TV, of course. This is a first class. This is a luxury room, I would say. Sofitel brand. Okay. Ito may coffee maker. And then, if you need ice, gaya niyan. And then, dito ulit sa toilet, you have a big bathtub. Okay. This is the cabinet. Meron ka rin ditong safety deposit box na pwede mong gamitin. Okay, masaya ako sa room namin. Okay. And then itong kasama ko si Mrs. Okay. By the way, gutom na kami. Kakain muna kami, ha.